foreigner in London. Lesson 3. It's dusk, and you pass a stranger in the street. Greet them politely.
Good evening.
To take the conversation further, talk about the weather.
Real brolly buster, isn't it?
Fact. Londoners have 107 ways to say that it is raining.
Can I have the last sandwich?
Oh no, I need that. A wise bear always keeps a marmalade sandwich in his hat in case of emergency.
A moment and it's bucketing down. Follow these simple rules and you will always feel at home in London.
On Lucy.
Earthquake!
Get to the shelter!
On Lucy! Keep going!
Are you alright? Uncle Pastuzo! Uncle Pastuzo!
Get down!
Uncle Pastuzo!
Pastuzo!
Uncle Pastuzo! Aunt Lucy. What are we going to do?
Stay out of sight until London.
But aren't you coming?
I am too old and too tired to go any further. Don't you worry about me. I will be safe in the home for retired bears. But it is not yet time for you to retire. You must find a new home in London.
But I don't know anyone there. What if they don't even like bears?
You know, there was once a war in the explorer's country. Thousands of children were sent away for safety, left at railway stations with labels around their necks, and unknown families took them in and loved them like their own. They will not have forgotten how to treat a stranger. Now take care, my darling. Remember your manners.